Hey Hedgies, welcome back to Cornwall. For those that haven't visited before, then hi, my name's Jane Sarche. I'm a food writer and recipe developer. This is Myrtle, my adorable little camper van, and it's together in this teeny little kitchen that we bring you awesome one-pot camping recipes. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, I recommend you do, because I bring these videos out every single Wednesday, so you have got full-on foodie inspiration for your entire year of camping. Now today's recipe is like as quick as it can get because it's really hot, and nobody in their right mind would be cooking in this heat. You'd just like go out and get ice cream. Okay, I'm just bringing a small pan of water up to the boil. I'm just cooking this for one. This is for John's lunch. I can't eat this, it's got cream cheese in, so this one is just for him. Now we're using fresh pasta here. Obviously this is more expensive than dried, and you do need a cool box or a fridge if you're going to store it for any length of time. But the upside is that it cooks really quickly, like 4 minutes done. That means we can have this whole recipe finished on the plate and in your belly within 5 minutes. Okay, the water is boiling, so pop your pasta in, give it a squidge, and just let that boil away for 4 minutes, or whatever your packet says. I am actually melting, it's so hot. Okay, I'm just going to taste a little bit of the pasta. That's perfect. Right, I'm just going to drain this and I'll be right back. Okay, it is drained, it's back on the heat. Now I'm going to pop in half a pack of cream cheese, and it is as simple as just melting that cheese down and you've got an instant cream cheese sauce. And I remember from the days when I used to eat cream cheese that this sauce tastes awesome. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper, a little pinch of Cornish sea salt, and finally I'm going to tip in just one slice of ham, smoked ham, that I've rolled up and thinly sliced. So I'm just throwing that in for some extra flavour. Turn the heat off. And there it is, my creamy 5-minute ham pasta. So how's that for a speedy dish to add to your camping food rota? Now as always, please hit the thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my channel as I bring out new one-pot camping recipes every single Wednesday, and I've got some great content lined up for you over the summer. I'm so excited with what we're going to be sharing together. So if you would like to request a hashtag recipe request, then please leave me a comment below. Let me know what kind of recipe you struggle with or that your family would really like, and I'll come up with a recipe just for you. As always guys, it's been an absolute pleasure hanging out with you, and I'll see you next Wednesday. All the best.